It's been a pretty eventful live. Yeah.
Going to probably drop down too. It's a beautiful day here before it starts to storm tomorrow. And
Okay.
go enjoy the weather. Go to the park and do some fun stuff with the little ones. So,
Right.
yeah, some of this, as a sub, I think it's so confusing, like what is really going on. And then it seems like sometimes on either side, it can be people try to make things bigger because then it proves their point. And I think we all do that. That's human nature, right? I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Um, but man, it just feels like there's a lot of hate for people we don't even know in real life or anything. Like just there's a strong hate, and I feel bad kind of too. Like I look at my older child and watching him see things on the internet at a young age. And I don't know if anybody has kids who are younger, but they're being exposed to things at a younger age and they're seeing it. And you can say it's a parent's responsibility, whatever you want to say. When you send your kids to school, if other kids are watching this kind of behavior and stuff and this kind of stuff on the internet, and I'm not saying specifically this channel or any other channel is true crime, but they start to speak like that and they think it's okay to speak to others like that. And I just hope we're a little bit more careful with maybe how we talk about things sometimes. But
Yeah.
again, this isn't a kid station, I understand. But I mean, if adults act like this, how do we expect our kids to act any better? So, anyways, I just hope people will start being a little bit more transparent with why they really feel the way they feel towards someone. I did hear someone claim, it's good to see somebody else not do well or being hurt when you've been hurt by them. And I think that's true. I think you see that a lot on the internet
Mm-hmm.
for sure. I think that's a big thing.
Yeah.
Boring.
So, yeah. Well, thanks for letting me up.
Oh, anytime.
All right. Well, take care of yourself and we'll talk to you later.
Alrighty.
All right. Thanks, Purple.
Bye. Yep. Bye.
Bye.
All right. And then we'll just wrap it up. It's been a pretty eventful live. Yeah. Hold on 1 second, y'all. All right. 1 second. All right. Had to put it on back cam in case I turned it on. Because I've been sick this week and I'm looking a little rough, so.
I don't know who needs to hear this right now, but woo!
give the haters a selfie. But, I didn't even, like, I know everybody's, oh shit. Everybody says, oh, no kids, no kids, no kids. But most of the people, like, for instance, I brought up Jenna's kids after she talked about my son. Not having surgery. I've explained this multiple times. The risks of him having surgery right now are too great. So they're trying to wait as long as they can. Okay. I've done everything I can to prove it. I don't know what else you want from me. I've put it out there, hit what the doctor said out there in the little pamphlet paper they give you, where his heart doctor sent him to a specialist who's a surgeon at the big hospital in our state. So I provided paperwork, and everybody's like, don't put that online. You're violating your son. But you're sitting here calling me a liar. And Jenna. You are so full of shit. It's not even funny. I never called and told you that my son didn't need surgery or wasn't going to have surgery. You're full of shit. Just like I never said in Discord that my son wasn't threatened. You're full of shit on that one too. But, miraculously, since, people are asking for proof, you had to factory reset your phone because you forgot the pattern. Well, you can't even, if to factory reset the phone, you would have had to get in the phone to do it.
To hard reset an Android mobile cell phone, we want to hold down the power button and up on the volume at the same time. So make sure that your phone is off when you do this. On some phones you might have to do the power button and down on the volume. And now you can see it's brought up this menu here. The menu that quickly flashed up there was just a language menu. So with this one here, you can go to reboot system now, or you can go to power down. In my instance, neither of those things work, so I'm just going to go to wipe data factory reset. So I'm scrolling up and down by using the volume buttons, and then to enter you're using the power button. So I'm going to enter that. It's just confirming that I definitely want to do this because it cannot be undone. So I'm going to go to yes, press enter, and now it's wiping the data. Now it might take up to 3 minutes to do this depending on how much data is on the phone. So right now it's basically reset itself. So now I'm going to go to power down, and then when it's fully powered down I'm going to go to turn it back on.